Hi guys, how are you? So today basically I want to talk about another topic from the manufacturing sector which is related to EV, batteries, demand supply gap, the current scenario, what is the solution? So recently I was watching one program, Mr. Nitin Gadkari. He was at India Today conclave and he spoke about certain things that the government is quite motivated to bring electric vehicles on the roads, and the policy is to replace 80% of the two wheelers by 2030, the fossil fuel two wheelers to electrical vehicles, and replace 30% private vehicles with electrical vehicles by 2030. So this is gonna be a big change, and government is also planning to shift the current engines towards the engines that will run from ethanol. Okay, so that's a very good strategy by the government. So why government wants to do this is basically the current import that they're doing for the fossil fuels. They want to reduce that, because once we shift more towards EV and the money saved from the imports, that can be utilized in education, development of the country, and whole lot of other things. So it's a very good initiative, but yes, there are certain challenges. India basically, if you talk about electric vehicles, it has certain parts like motors, chipsets, and the batteries. Batteries play a very crucial role because the batteries make 40 to 50% cost of the electric vehicles. So India has developed good technology of batteries, lithium ion. Ion batteries are uh, quite successful batteries, and they are tried and tested because they have longer range and they give less losses. The discharge thing I am talking about, and easy to maintain. So the technology was provided by DRDO to certain companies to set up plant in India. They are already doing that, and but if we compare with China, we started little low. China started the R&D into lithium ion batteries way back in 2001. So yes, our vision is on the right track, and certainly we can cover that difference. So but the problem is we don't have reserves for lithium in India. So we don't have actual, we import most of our lithium from China or Taiwan or Japan. We make packs over here. We make other technologies like battery management system. We assemble vehicles, but we are totally dependent on China and these countries. So some experts say that we should buy some lithium ion fields in countries like Bolivia or Chile. That's a suggestion given by some experts. So, all in all, we are on the right track, but uh, government and the OEMs all together have to work really hard so that we have proper channels for lithium in India, and we don't rely too much on countries like China. And certainly, government must be thinking about it, and in the years to come will become Atmanirbhar when we talk about end-to-end EV production, right? Thank you so much. Bye.